Hey guys, Detecting Arizona here. Just got done cleaning all of my air conditioner coils, the copper, aluminum, anyways. I'm guessing this is roughly about between 30 and 40 units. Got all my aluminum ones over here. But this is all I did, and this is about, I want to say about 10 hours of cutting with my Sawzall. Pulling them out of storage, cutting it, and then whacking the sides off if I cut it flush with the metal. If the metal still has a loop, still go on this pile, which I need to clean up. All this copper needs to be picked up. Once I get that done, that'll be that. So, but I'm guessing about probably about 1,500 pounds in coils. A lot of them are pretty heavy, 40 pounds a piece, thereabouts. It's higher than I think it's 66 Nova. Man, it's a lot of work, and I got all done with one Diablo blade from Home Depot. I had already used this blade before, and got all the way through it. You can see it's pretty warm. It's almost got like a blued coating now that it's been burned up with the oil in the units, but teeth really don't look that bad. I know it's just cutting copper and aluminum, but I do cut some of the steel with it. So props to Diablo for a good carbide blade. This is a carbide blade, but even their normal like 4 or 6 inch carbide blades that I normally use, they don't last anywhere near this. This has about 12 hours of cutting on it, and it's still going. So this was an awesome blade. Definitely worth the, I want to say, $10 it cost me. So anyways, just adding that. Money, money, money. Money everywhere.